Hey guys, welcome to another video folder tutorial video. In this video I'm going to show you how to add or remove a microSD memory card or your SIM card to a Moto G5 Plus. So it's very simple. You need to have the included pin, or you can just use a small paper clip. Then on the very top you'll see this little compartment right here. You want to just poke the pin inside that all the way down and you'll see it pop up. Now if you have a paper clip, you just do the same thing. Just be delicate with it. You don't want to break anything until it pops up. Then you slowly pull it out. And as you can see, on one side you have the SD card slot, and on the other you have the SIM card. So you can just kind of pick those up out of there. And if you were putting it in, you would just make sure that it fits in correctly and push it in. Same thing with the SIM card. It can easily be removed by just pushing it up. Or you can place it in, just follow that little display grid right there so that it looks the same when it goes in. Very simple. So that's how you add or remove a microSD card or a SIM card to the Moto G5 Plus. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching.